Hello there guys, welcome back to a short online tutorial. Today we are based in Adobe Photoshop and it's your good friend Jack from Blue Sky Graphics back again to show you some cool stuff. What I'd like to do today guys is show you a simple way to apply your design to a mock-up. A mock-up is a great way to demonstrate your work in a real form. It's like a digital representation of your designs. And I'd always suggest when you're looking to do logo designs or product designs, always try and endeavor to place them on the actual product or design that you have intended for the logo to be. Now, all you need to do is follow the simple steps that I show you today, and you can implement that into your workflow, and I guarantee your designs will become a lot more professional and a lot more believable when you start showing them to your clients or to other people. Now, what I have here is this icon of a nice leaf, and what I'd like to do is place this onto this mug here. So just to simply just put it there like so. It looks okay, but it doesn't look as real as what you can get it. What you need to do is follow these steps. Come to your layers and make sure you have that layer highlighted. And what I'm going to do now is press Command T to get your transform options open. So that is Command T for Mac users, or that's Control T for Windows users. Now what I need to do is actually warp this selection here. So now what I'm going to do is right click on it and we have the option here to warp, like so. And you'll notice if I start to manipulate one of these points here, you can see I can start to warp it. Now, because we're using a sort of cylinder-like shape, if you come up to the top left here and you see warp, what I'm now going to do is use cylinder. Like so. And now what you need to do is manipulate the icon or the design that you've done onto that mug, just so that we can make it look as realistic and as cylinder-like as we can get it. So I'll just use the points there to do that and press enter. And now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to lower the opacity just a tad on that design there, just to make it look a little bit more realistic on that teacup. Like so. And there you have it, guys. That's a very simple way of how to apply your designs into a mock-up. If you're interested in finding out more about the school, the courses that we offer, please take a look at our website at blueskygraphics.co.uk. Thank you very much, guys. Take care, and I'll see you next time.